Hi, I just wanted to do a review of the bike stand that I bought from Aldi, this one here, and it's great value, £25, delivered as well. So I've opened it up, I've taken it out of the box, and you just have to put this bracket on there. It comes with an Allen screw, and just tighten up those two. I've got it loose so I can move it up and down. It's got an adjustment here. Let me just undo it, and then the legs move up or down. So let's put them into a nice stable position, lock that up, and then also as well you can see the legs as they splay out. There's screw holes there, so you could fix them as well, so that could stop it from moving. The rest of the parts that come with it, so a long pole here with the minimum depth there, which is ample high enough, so we just put that in and tighten it up. Just crimp it there. And then the bike clamp as well, same again. It's got like a minimum depth there, so just put that about there, put it nice and level, tighten it up, don't over tighten it. And then this bit here, which looking on the instructions is to, you know, stabilise it if you need to. Let me just put that on. So that's there as well, and that can wrap around the handlebar or the frame just to stop it from moving about. So let's get my bike, put it in. I mean, the best place is probably the seat post, rather than it's not crimping on the wire there. But as you can see now, I mean, it's head height, or you know, easily reachable. I can do all the things I want on the bike. There is other ways you can do it in the book as well. It shows you to clamp in there. You can clamp it upside down, so putting that bar there, across there, with the wheels down. Or some, I see they clamp on the seat post as well. You can put some sponge around it or something like that. I've been out on a bike ride today, so just about to clean my bike. Hopefully that's helped you. Like I say, the Aldi stand is really good value, £25 delivered. Let me see, I think there is some capacities, 30 kilograms maximum. Always read the manual, and hopefully I'll put a link in there. But the trouble with Aldi stuff is that it comes out, and as soon as they've sold the stock, it goes quickly, which is a shame. I think it's really good value, £25. It's an awesome bike stand, well built, you know, no problems with it, and it will help me service my bike, clean my bike, look after it. So I hope that's helped you. If there are any questions, let me know in the comments before. Look forward to your likes and comments, and let me know. Thanks.